name is Cheryl Johnson. I'm the Director of Nutrition Services here at Ozark. This year I want to ensure you that we are taking extra steps to keep our staff and students safe. I'm going to walk you through a few of the steps. As the students are in line for lunch or breakfast, they're going to socially distance. If they can't socially distance, then we're going to ask them to wear a mask. They will enter into the lunch line where the ladies or gentlemen will ask them what they want. They'll put it on the tray. The students will already have silverware and milk on their tray, and we will hand them the tray. The students will also have a la carte handed to them in the upper buildings. They will not be allowed to touch anything. As the students come out to sit at the table, staff will have condiments in hand to put on the student's tray. The students will sit on one side of the table and nobody will sit across from them. This year at breakfast, we're going to do grab and go at the K-5 buildings. They will come through the line and grab their breakfast and they're going to take it back to their classroom. At middle school, junior high, and high school, the students are able to social distance, so we will be serving their breakfast on trays. There again, they are not allowed to touch anything. We will hand them everything as they come through. Before each lunch shift, our cooks will sanitize all of the tables, and they will sanitize them again between every shift of kids. So the tables will be sanitized every time a new set of students comes in. We also sanitize the kitchen several times throughout the day. We're doing everything we can to keep our students safe. We miss you guys, and we can't wait to see you on August 20th.